Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I will explain how to transform photos into a pencil drawing. Attribution and link of image are located in my video description. Enjoy watching. Let's get started. The first step is to open a photo. Duplicate the layer by clicking Ctrl+Command+J or by dragging it onto the new layer icon. Click on the Adjustment Layer button. Choose Hue, Saturation. Reduce the saturation to -100. Make sure Layer 1 active and change the blend mode to Color Dodge. Head up to Image menu, Adjustments, Invert, or you can click Ctrl+Command+I. As you can see, the photo has turned white. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Radius 20 pixels is a good choice. You can make the image look more intense. To do this, click on the Adjustment Layer button. Choose Levels. Slide the input darks to the right. To make some areas less dense, open your brush tool. Make the brush size large. Foreground color is black. Opacity, 40%. And then brush over areas you'd like to make less dense. To clean up some areas, click Ctrl+Shift+Alt+E. Invert the foreground and background colors. Adjust brush size and make opacity 100%. Brush over the areas you want to clean up. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel.